Agusan crowd electrifying reaction to SB19 entrance with Gento. The Agusan crowd's energy is so electrifying. Yes, sobra-sobra nga ang energy ng Agusan crowd, napakalakas ng sigawan at tilian habang naghihintay sa SB19 at mas lalo na nang lumabas ng mga ito.
It's time to break the limits and step into the zone. This is SB19.
Watch how the crowd became the loudest with SB19's entrance with Gento. Again and again, Gento has proven iba talaga ang power and impact nito sa audience. At iba din talaga ang energy ng Agusan na kung tutuusin ay ilang oras ding naghintay sa paglabas ng SB19. Walang humpay ang sigawan at tilian kahit pa in between SB19's performances. Makikita talagang the Agusan crowd is enjoying the show.